Hey queens, can you see the consistency of this treatment? Like if your hair is matted, your hair is dry, then you just have to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So I will show you how to make this super moisturizing treatment using just 3 common ingredients, and this treatment really made my hair super moisturized. So guys, today's video is a conditioning treatment that will help moisturize, repair, strengthen and grow your hair. So like you can see in the video, this is a combination of fenugreek, rosemary and carrot. I infused the 3 ingredients overnight, then I used the water as my leave-in spray. So instead of discarding them, I decided to use it to make this treatment because they are still loaded with lots of nutrients for the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into a very smooth consistency. And guys, if you're watching without subscribing, please kindly help me by clicking on the red subscribe button, and beside the red subscribe button there's a bell notification. Kindly click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video because it really helps with YouTube recommendation. Thank you guys. After blending guys, you want to make sure you go ahead and strain your conditioner so you don't end up leaving particles in your hair.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, I've been wearing my hair in a protective style and I discovered my hair was actually very dry. Guys, can you see the consistency of this conditioner? Is super moisturizing, and this is going to do so great in moisturizing your dry matted hair. This conditioner is going to make your detangling process very easy. This is also going to help you prevent breakage and also prevent further dryness. So I'm just working it in section. I make sure to start from my ends, then over to my roots, and I just go ahead to massage my scalp, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of my hair.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see
I went ahead to put my hair in chunky twists just to prevent it from going matted again. And this treatment can be used once every week or whenever you want to moisturize your hair. This is very easy to use and you can store the remaining one in your fridge for 1 week. After 1 week, you discard it and make another one. I'm not going to be washing out this treatment because it's super safe and moisturizing for the hair. And I hope you try it out till I see you all in my next. Bye guys.